guys, welcome to Fashion Fairies. So today there's a cool DIY setting up a corner video coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you have subscribed. And also in this video, we'll be setting up a corner in my room where we can shoot. So this is the area where we'll be setting up a corner. So we got this from Amazon. We'll be setting this up. So basically this is a dressing table kind of a thing. So let's set this. Take it, This is what it looks like. So you're gonna watch some cool styling videos coming on my channel in the same backdrop. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want more such videos, you know what to do, right? So for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram.